first time na gumawa ka ng comedy? How does it feel?
It was very nerve-wracking. Pero pangarap ko po matagal ko na minamanifest na makagawa ng isang full-on comedy. I mean, may nakagawa ng mga pelikula, may mga touches of it, may mga jokes, ganyan. Pero ito full-on comedy talaga. And nonetheless, directed by Victor Villanueva pa, who I'm a fan of. I remember being young, watching Patay na si Jesus alone in the theaters, and just being in love with his humor and his style. So, ngayon na nabigyan ng shot to be in a film of his, diba, syempre commit tayo and trinabaho naman po namin. And enjoy. I feel like yun yung pinaka-importante sa comedy. Enjoy.
Grabe daw yung chemistry at dynamics nyo yung Bables sa
Sino
kanila rito. Grabe daw, pag nagbibigay daw ng mga ad-lib si Bables, nababaliw daw kay ni Inigo. Kumusta ang working relationship with each other?
Well, kami ni Inigo kasi matagal na rin kaming friends. We play badminton together, we hang out, ganyan. Pero first time ko rin naka-work si Inigo. And of course, si Christian Bables, na matagal ko na rin mas matagal ko pa kilala actually. But we never really had the chance to like hang out and be really friends until now. I respect them both as performers, as actors, and nakita ko yung spontaneity nila sa set, yung pagiging present nila, and yung pagiging quick thinking nila. Kasi I think yun yung hinihingi din sa amin dito sa pelikula na to, yung maliban sa pag-enjoy ay maging quick on your feet, be present, mag-react, and magpato ng offer kung ano maisip mo. And si Christian, number one yan sa amin. Parang walang take na hindi nagbibigay ng adlib. Manggugulat ng adlib si Christian. So kami ni Inigo, na first time namin mag-comedy pareho, we felt like we needed to step up, and sana nag-deliver.
Maganda yung timing ng movie, Jello, kasi it's Pride Month. And alam naman namin na ikaw yung isang artista na may pinaglalaban sa lipunan. Sa tingin mo, anong mensahe ng Drugs to Riches sa community, sa LGBTQIA+ community this Pride Month?
I think it's more empowering the community, seeing stories like this, seeing yourself and your community be represented on the screen, nonetheless in a movie that's gonna be distributed nationwide in SM Cinemas. Diba? Parang nakaka-empower yon for the LGBT community. And syempre, we tackle like filmmakers namin, yung writer namin, and yung director namin are from the community. A lot of our artists and in the ensemble are from the community as well. So maganda yung representation sa pelikula na to, and yung kwento ay galing sa kanila. So nandito lang kami para i-justify yon and isabuhay talaga yun.
So, paano natutunan mo kay Christian Bables being magaling siyang komedyante, no? When it comes to comedic timing and all?
I think yun, nabanggit niyo po na I think yun yung number one na tuno with Christian sa comedy. Sa timing, and also, excuse me, yung wag matakot mag-offer. Kasi I think sa mga art films or mga drama, ganyan, syempre you want to stick to the script, you want to stick to the story, to respect your director. Pero with a comedy like this, si Direct Vic mismo yung magsasabi na, kayo ba na, ano gusto yung gawin? Kasi Christian is like really, really quick on his feet. Ako, yun nga, I take pride in my preparation and all that. Pero the past couple of years, I've been trying to be present, more present in scenes, and not overthink, over-prepare too much. Yun yung natutunan ko kay Christian, na just be present, makinig, and be quick on your feet. Tapos wag ka matakot magbato kung ano man yung kalokohang naisip mo. Baka mag-work, you never know, di ba?
Sa chikahan namin kanina kay Christian, nabanggit niya, nag-throwback siya yung experience niya sa paggawa ng Die Beautiful at sa ibang mga
Pad sisters.
Yung mga pad sisters and all. Tapos may sabi siya na nakikita niya na effective ka na bilang Barb sa comedy. Oo. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Ako? As Barb?
Pwede ka na mag-Barbs.
Ano masasabi mo
Well,
doon?
may Martin pa, di ba? Pero ako, I haven't had the chance to have a role na kailangan ng drag transformation. So I'm open to that actually. And titignan natin, naghanap tayo ng tamang project. Kasi parang for the last time I said it, I think it was like Mama O's podcast. Sinabi ko, I'm taking a break from taking queer roles muna. I think it's been 3 years since that I said that. And I have been taking a break from it. Also, every time may nag-offer kasi sa akin na queer roles, lagi kong sabihin na ibabato ko yung mga kilala kong queer actors na sorry po, maybe you should get a real queer actor for this. Mga ganun na yung ginagawa ko eh. Pero ngayon, I'm open to it kasi it's been a while And I love the community so much. And it's pride, you know, and to work with the actors like Christian, Inigo, and everybody else, and especially Direct Vic. Parang nakakahinayang kung papalagpasin ko yung chance. So kung yung Barbs may mangyaring ganun, bakit hindi? Di ba? Direction lang na creation yun eh. So bakit ako hindi?
And how does it feel going out of your comfort zone?
Challenge yun. Kasi never ko pa nga po nagawa yun. And you know, I've done a couple of peer roles na ibang-iba ng flavors each, pero hindi pa umabot dun sa level ng drag performer. So, di ko pa alam. I mean, di ko pa alam kung anong magiging timpla ko dun. Pero open ako and exciting yun kung mangyari po.
Elijah, anong takeaway ng audience pag panood yung pelikula?
Anong takeaway nila? Sana masaya lang. Ewan ko. Madami siya. Madaming themes na tinatackle aside from, you know, the community in itself. May konting hints of tackling homophobia and all that. So, sana in this world, in this time that we live in po, pag napanood nila yung pelikula, yung ma-normalize lang, yung hindi sabihin na parang, ano to, parang tungkol sa mga bakla to, tungkol sa mga ganito to. And it's just a story about, you know, these three characters. It's a comedy movie that just so happens to be an LGBT film as well. And sana ma-empower yung community and at the same time ma-normalize sa mata ng hetero audiences, di ba?
Pero syempre iba yung pakikipagtrabaho sa isang Junlana, iba yung pakikipagtrabaho din sa isang Victor Villanueva kasi iba yung genre nila, di ba?
Sobra.
So how would you paano yung adjustment na ginawa mo?
Adjustment? Hindi ko alam yung ginawa kong adjustment kasi lahat ng mga tinatanong ko nga pong komedyante, nanghihingi ako ng tips, di ba? Anong tips? Sa comedy, first time ko mag-comedy, matagal ko nang pinapangarap to. Lahat sila, like most of them, ang number one na sinasabi lagi, don't overthink. And lagi ako tinatamaan doon kasi as an actor, you know, I really prepare, I really overthink every choice that I make. Pero dito sa comedy nga, huwag ka mag-overthink, be present, makinig ka sa actors mo, and huwag kang matakot magpato. So yun siguro yung pinaka-adjustment. And at the same time, commit, yung level of commitment na hinihingi sa'yo, yung parang kahit hindi nag-make sense sa'yo. Kasi kung mara sa pelikulang Junlana, ganyan, the character goes from A, B, C, D, ganito, ganyan. Dito sa mga pelikula like Drags to Riches, my character goes from A, magiging F, magiging C. Ano ha? Ginagawa. Biglang sumayaw yung character ko. Like, parang ha, saan galing yun? Pero dahil nga comedy siya, and at the same time, yun yung tone na gusto namin ipahatid. Commit lang. So, ibang level ng commitment yung hinihingi ng pelikula to. I swear po, pag napanood niyo yung mga eksena ko dito, sana matawa kayo, or baka mapahiya lang ako, hindi ko alam.
Elijah, tungkol pa sa footprints na ginagawa mo ngayon, may upcoming
Footprint.
ka bang stage play?
May rerun po kami ng About Us But Not About Us on October. I have an alternate this time around, so I'm doing less shows, I think. Pero Footprint and then About Us But Not About Us lang, and then the rest of the year puro films na po yung gagawin. Thank you.
Elijah, after doing these Drags to Riches, ano lang yung naging realization mo sa mga drag queens?
Well, matagal ko na rin pong na-realize to. Siguro na-confirm lang during the process of filming. Kasi may mga kaibigan din po akong drag artist, namely si Maxi, di ba? And Bombading and everybody. Nanonood din talaga ako minsan, yung kapag may birthday yung kaibigan sa O-Bar or sa Rampa, yung pupunta kasi makikita mo yung mga performers. So, mataas na po talaga respeto ko kasi alam ko na ang hirap talaga. Ibang klaseng art form din siya. Ibang klaseng creativity hinihingi from these queens. Dahil sila mismo yung gumagawa nun eh. Sila yung nag-iisip ng concept nila, di ba? Minsan naglalagay pa sila ng political commentary, social commentary, or even personal. Pag nanood ka ng Drag Race or ng Drag Den or kung ano man, makikita yung proseso nila eh. So, ang lalim talaga na respeto ko sa amin. Pag-makeup pa lang nila, ilang oras na. Si Christian, tanongin niyo, sobrang tagal po nung makeup and ako nga, pag mini-makeupan ako, 30 minutes pa lang na sumasakit na puwet ko. So parang yung mga drag artists pa na yung iba, sila pa nag-makeup sa sarili nila. So ibang klaseng respect, and I think we should view drag as an art form, as a legitimate art form. Mahirap, pero sana kaya naniniwala ko kaya naman hanggat, pipilitin and hanggat tatrabahuin. Pero syempre nakakatakot yung preparation kasi di ba iba nagwa-wax talaga ng lahat, di ba?
Correct.
Sakit. Masakit yun. Masakit yun, guys. And yung bigat ng suot nila, like naalala ko nung shoot namin si Christian and yung iba namin drag queens, ang bibigat ng suot nila. Di ba? Ang bibigat ng mga kinakabit nila sa sarili nila. And yung makeup lang, nasa mukha lang nila yun, pero ang bigat din noon, tas may wig pa. So, ang init. So, sabi ko talaga, buti na lang talaga ganito lang yung role namin. Hindi ko dito, hindi ko may kailangan mag-drag kasi ang hirap. Pero pag mabigyan mo opportunity, ready naman. Ready naman.
Iba lang tayo, kamusta ko yung vibes ngayon?
Okay naman. Sobrang busy sa trabaho ngayon eh. Lalo ako parang I've been working every day. Kaya huli ako, galing ako MMA training, prepping for the next film.
Wow.
Tomorrow, I'm wrapping a different film. Makakatapos na kami ng isa pang film, which is also showing this year. So, puro trabaho, focus sa trabaho, pero okay po kami.
Pero you have time to go out and bonding and
Paminsan, minsan nga sobrang busy nga po, nawawala, gano'n. Pero as much as possible, hanapan namin mga